Why are cold seeps crucial for deep-sea ecosystems? Imagine a place in the ocean where sunlight never reaches and the water is freezing cold. Instead of relying on sunlight for energy, some deep-sea creatures depend on chemicals seeping from the ocean floor. That's what cold seeps are all about. These spots are like underwater oases in the dark, harsh depths of the ocean. They release gases like methane and hydrogen sulfide from beneath the Earth's crust. These chemicals are the main energy source for tiny bacteria that live there. These bacteria do something called chemosynthesis, turning chemicals into food. This process is different from photosynthesis, which plants use on land and in shallow waters. Because of chemosynthesis, cold seeps create a whole community of life in places where most other ecosystems would struggle to survive. Tube worms, mussels, crabs, and shrimps all thrive around these seeps. Some animals have special bacteria living inside them, helping them get nutrients from the chemicals. These bacteria form symbiotic relationships with the animals, making the creatures more adapted to the environment. Cold seeps also support a variety of microbial communities. These microbes help with important processes like sulfur oxidation, sulfate reduction, and methane breakdown. They even influence the amount of methane released into the ocean and atmosphere, which can affect climate change. Cold seeps are also vital breeding grounds for many deep-sea species. They provide a safe place for young animals to grow and develop. Without these habitats, many species would struggle to survive in the deep ocean. These ecosystems are rich in biodiversity, offering food and shelter in a place where organic material from the surface is scarce. They act as natural reservoirs of life, supporting animals that cannot find enough food elsewhere. Understanding cold seeps helps us learn about how life can exist in extreme environments. It also helps us manage natural resources like oil and gas, which are often found near these seeps. Plus, microbes from cold seeps are being studied for their ability to break down oil spills, showing how important these habitats are for protecting the environment. In short, cold seeps are key to the health of deep-sea ecosystems because they provide energy, habitat, and breeding grounds for many unique marine creatures.